Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change table border thickness in Apple number sheet. Open your Apple number sheet and click on this table and click right button and select all cells or press Ctrl A from your keyboard, select whole table. Now click the table format option and select table cell option and scroll and here you will find this table border option. I'll select all border. Now first I'll change table border color. And here we'll find this line thickness. You can increase, decrease this till border thickness. Also you can say this border style. There is also border style. Again says border color, all border. And see this. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.